That dude literally looks like a nasty fucking rat. They tried. They couldn't break him. Too strong.
Well, I see 10 fingers. That's a good sign at least.
Don't make a fuss. I'm fine. Listen. They know about Wade. But they haven't caught him yet.
You told him he was killed, didn't you?
On the train to Hamburg. I don't think they'll fall for it. But the hope is it'll buy him some time to get us out.
He isn't coming back for us.
He's right.
Wait, so I didn't.
Can't count on that fucking drum guy.
Bring out the girl.
She ain't going nowhere, mate.
Oh, just get out of my way.
Boss.
Look at his fucking bloodthirsty looking ass. He was ready to shoot him. Look at him. He's like, one more fuck up and I'll shoot you. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Stalingrad.
Every person on this team was a hero in their own right. Long before their
By the
fathers
way,
were
shout out
strikers.
my cat Stalin.
But to say they were strong
Just saying.
personalities would be a vast understatement.
Look at his Russian ass.
Particularly when it came to Petrova.
Natalia, have you seen my... Again? It's bad enough I have to wear this thing at all. Now it's flammable. All those years teaching me how to shoot. Wasted. Stuck in a med tent.
Постой. Don't be in a rush to fight, доченька. Glory is worth nothing when you're dead.
But this fight, it matters.
You matter. You and Misha
Misha.
are all I have left.
My dog's name Misha.
Hey, be nice.
I'm always nice.
I'm just waiting for someone to get shot like
Misha.
randomly.
What you got there? Empty bottles?
I'm training fresh partisans.
Misha Petrov.
Our comrades already know how to drink.
Boris.
This will be Molotovs.
Boris.
Is it wise to give explosives
Petrov.
to civilians?
Pasha, you worry too much.
Boris Petrov. Is that a good French accent? I got my real nice, alright? My R's, that was like the best thing.
Сестрюха, that hurts.
You do that well enough yourself.
Топлячка.
Durin.
Лягушка.
Козёл.
Жаба.
Say both of you.
I'm going to be late.
Did he just call her a babushka?
Now there. Isn't that nice? A real
With
family
this fucking
breakfast.
sniper right there.
Bombs and bullets. Best way to start the day.
You know, you're gonna get yourself killed having that old rifle in the house, Papasha.
Now who is worried too much?
Okay.
So, the Germans are approaching the front line. Is that where you're off to?
Okay, I'm gonna stop real quick, okay? This is one thing that I hate, that I absolutely fucking hate about America, okay? Most of the things that Americans do, like America, like here, like let's develop games and shit, why can't you just put the language in and make us read subtitles? Is it because you really don't want to educate people on other languages? Because like that, I feel like that all the time. Like, it's so cool to watch something in another language, like, you know, things from different countries, because then you like you basically hear like their language and like how they say it, like, you know what I mean, and like slangish and like the way they pronounce things. I don't know, but that's one thing that I've always hated about like video games and shit. Like, if you're gonna have people from other countries, put their fucking languages, give them some respect, okay? Put some respect on their name, all right? Fuck. Jesus Christ.
He told me that's not what I'd be the most useful, so... I'm training recruits at the old Post office.
Must be nice.
It would have been nice to have a choice on the matter.
At least you get to
Oh,
fight.
don't tell me at least. You?
Watch it! You're both doing your part. Which reminds me, if any of those Ubludki get past you, you know where to send them.
Of course, Opar. They will never get through. Never. Lynn, I need to run.
It's
They're
so
waiting
sad
for me.
because if you're a history buff, you know what happens in Stalingrad. You know
Keep his own head screwed on without
what
us.
happens.
We really are saints.
Honest.
Millions of people just
I'll make sure he
fucking
gets this on my way to the med tent.
just obliterated. So it's
You help
crazy
your
to think
country
about.
much more than you know. And you make your old man proud.
I'm gonna cry. He said I make him proud. He seems like a nice, outstanding father. I will make you proud, I promise.
We should replace your old chair.
Never. It's comfy enough for me.
Okay, family photo.
Misha and I were so little in this photo.
Seems like just yesterday.
So Misha is a male name,
So many
apparently.
impressive medals.
A
Pop.
male Russian name.
Your mother. She always insisted we display them.
Alright, see you later,
Safe out
Pops.
there.
I will be. Dude, it's so sad, okay? Because I'm just speculating at this point. I'm not super history buff, but I know like most of my history, and I know Stalingrad is not good. Not good for the Russian people. Just a fucking struggle. A horrible struggle.
But you think the Germans will push into the city?
Not if you're out there fighting.
Milo moy, the new partisans I'm training will crush them before they get close.
I believe it. Good luck out there. Paulina, here to keep your brother out of trouble?
Impossible. Something smells good over here.
Oh, Paulina, I saved a loaf for your family.
Spasibo.
Oh, you're sweet.
You're welcome. Your father has been bothering me
Spasibo.
for some Borodinsky.
Yo, dude, this is so sad.
Forget something?
You're a lifesaver.
I know.
Мы сейчас придем.
Yeah, just put the language in here, bro. It would have made it so much fucking nicer.
Red Army Tabaki.
Keep your voice down. You don't want to make enemies here.
Fine. Just don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Couldn't even if I tried. My aim is shit compared to yours. It's too bad we can't trade places. I would look great in that uniform.
In the
At
nurse
least try to
uniform.
make it back from your bomb making. One piece, several pieces, it's fine. I'm pretty good at putting people back together.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's so
made
sad,
me late
bro.
again. I'll have to take the rooftops.
It's so
You're gonna get
sad.
yourself killed climbing around out there.
I promise you can say I told you so if it happens. Now go!
Going.
Look at that PPSH. Straight beauty. Alright. Oh shit, alright. This nice, dog.
Yeah.
Great.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How is your father's leg?
Finally improving. Thanks.
Oh, man's got a fucked up leg, dog. I didn't even know. And he my dad. Oh, see y'all later. I'm just like, yeah, guys. Hey, what's
Don't
up?
worry. The Red Army will handle it.
Well, be careful out there.
Yo, his face. Well, be careful out there. He sounded white as shit, first of all. Oh, what's up, fellas? Dude, why not? Dude, I swear. I'm sorry, but oh my god, it gets me so angry. I love this. I love this. I love this. Yo, I want more of this. Fucking parkouring up in this bitch. Yeet. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit. Okay, that was a pretty tall fall. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I just like to hop around. Medical corps for duty.
Front broke down. This way's
Oh, shit.
blocked. Move along.
This was blocked. Move along. Shut the fuck up. You dumbasses, I work here. Slide cancel on yo bitch ass. On yo bitch ass. Disrespect on yo colonel ass. On your commandant
Mrs.
looking
Prober,
ass.
we'll need you down by the first tent. Plenty of men that need catching up today.
Okay.
20 others.
Are they coming? There they are, right? That's them. How did I fucking know it? And now I come back up on this bitch. Come on, Jesus Christ. We got fighter pilots out here too. Ah! So what had happened was damn dog. I'm just trying to hurry. Okay. What's up? No. Okay, that was just plain stupid. That was just my bad. To be honest. Alright, we're not gonna fuck up this time. We're good. We go center. Ooh. Center. And we wait. Ooh. There we go. Oh, dude. Her brother right now is like fucking. Jesus Christ. Hold up. Alright. I had to itch my nose real quick, you know what I mean? Oh shit! Come on! Oh fuck! Ow! Oh no! The whole fucking building's coming down. Oh shit! Come on! We got this! Where's Papa? I don't think that's how you say it. Oh shit! Okay. Ooh. Ow. That fucking looked like it hurt. Come on, lady, come on. Ooh. Oh, Jesus Christ. No, dog. No. Wow.
You help your country more than
Wow.
and you make your old man proud.
Come on. Oh, dude. This is gonna have Vendetta from Old Net War vibes. I already feel it. Vendetta. If you not played that Oh shit. Nope. Am I just supposed to like wait for him to move? Cause he's not moving. Yo, he's not moving, dog. Okay, there he is. And he's like kind of moving, kind of not. Dude, I don't want to play peekaboo with this guy anymore. There's a German soldier right there, though.
Hey! Get back inside,
shit.
agent!
Okay. Go back inside. thought that was a German officer. Yeah, take that, you fucking... Oh shit! Shit! Give me a gun! Give me a gun! Oh, oh. Try me again, bitch. 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 I'll hit you with the B-hop. Okay, maybe not. Give me this. Give me this. Let me. Okay. Okay. Yep. Dude, the graphics on this shit are fucking amazing. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yep. Yep. Give me. Yep. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Alina, what have you done? You have to leave Stalingrad. Now.
No, I'm not fucking leaving Stalingrad. I'm going home, bitch. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go.
Search everywhere! Flush out the Russian vermin! Round them up!
You Nazi bastards! They'll kill you all!
Yeah, you're right.
That was a mistake, old man!
Ah! Ah, you fucking idiot. Oh no, they got him. They got him. They got him. They got him. They fucking got him. He's gone.
Papa.
You'll never take them on, you ублюдки!
Shut your mouth! We've already taken...
Ah! 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 I don't have ammo! I don't have ammo! I only have a saber! Oh, please! Oh, shit. Come on, you dumb bitches! You want some of this Russian coochie? Mistaken! Mistaken! Shame on your daddy and your mother. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this shit? The B-hop. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. What? Nah, I don't want that. I don't want that. They all had fucking car 98Ks, dude. What the fuck? Okay. Here I go now. Oh, shit. I don't want to like waste my the ammo that I got, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's go, bitches. Let's go. Give me some fucking ammo. Yep, MP40. Yep, yep. Yep, reload that shit. Reload that shit. There we go. Any of them got a... Okay. We're just picking up guns at this point. Right here. Right there. Get some of this coochie. Come on. Let's go. No no objective right now. Oh, dude, they fucking shot him. Oh my gosh.
Nightingale.
Oh my gosh. Don't do this to me. Yo.
Take care of each other.
Yo. Oh fuck, dude. No. Wow. I'm not teary-eyed. You're teary-eyed. Fuck,
Tell
dude.
Mom I'm off to save Misha.
Oh my god. Oh fuck, here we go. We're gonna avenge you, Pops, alright? We're gonna fucking avenge you. No more. No more. We won't suffer anymore. Oh shit. Avoid the tank column, got it. Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Literally don't turn. Well, I'm trying to avoid the column. Is that ours? Are these our tanks? I don't want to get shot in my back.
Bewegung! Bewegung!
What the fuck was that? Okay, I was wondering where I was supposed to go. Alright. Oh shit, okay.
Ich hab ihn!
Come on, bitches, come on. I'm coming out of hiding. Come on, bitches. Where's he at? No, no. Oh my god, there's too many of them. No. Okay. We can do this, we can do this, we can do this. We're just gonna have to keep, you know, keep dancing for a little bit. No, no, Too close, too close, too close for my own comfort. Too close. Oh my god, give me something, give me something. Yo. Oh my god, dude, that's so fucking violent. Jesus Christ. Okay, where the fuck is the ammo? I need ammo. Oh gosh, dude. Oh gosh, dude. Molotovs, nice. Okay. Okay. Where? Okay. I'm stupid. I'm just stupid. I'm sorry. I forgot I could crouch and shit, you know. Come on. Give me some fucking Molotov. Okay, fun fact, if you guys didn't know this, Molotov was actually the name of Stalin's best friend. Where the fuck am I? Okay, vent. I'm stupid. I keep forgetting, I'm gonna have to crush a lot here. Some parkour, some more parkour. That's all right. That's all right, baby. Give it all to me. You know what I mean? Ah, shit. Whoo! Can I do this quietly? There we go. That's one down.
Da ist doch jemand! Tötet ihn! Oh Gott, er verblutet! Sieht weg aus! Rücke vor!
Ah! Oh, Jesus Christ. Really? They're fucking everywhere. These fucking Germans, dog. I just need to find some nice cover. Oh shit. He's literally not dead yet. Okay, now he's dead.
Sie kommen in unsere Richtung! Granate geworfen!
Alright. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh my god. Just fucking die already. Jesus Christ. Give me back. Give me back. Oh my god. I just broke this man's ankles in full clutch war. Get down, bitch. No, give me the gun back. Give me the gun back. Oh my god. Shoot. Shoot. Give me the MP. Oh my gosh. Okay, tap to reload. And when you're by a gun, you hold to reload, alright? You know what? I'm done with y'all. That's this shit. Get one more fucking step, bitch. One more step. Yes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck, dude. Oh, this is pretty intense, dude. Jesus Christ. Well, the aim down sight speed on this thing is horrible. We figure it out. I could have probably saved this whole, shit. I just need to figure out who's shooting me from where. Oh, I'm reloading. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec, I'll be back shortly. Come on. I'm dispensing of the Germans any way I can. Come on. Is that it? Did I clear out? Okay, yeah, I cleared out the Germans.
I think they're dead. Can you get us free now?
Yeah, give me a sec, buddy. Where you at? Man, can't believe I have to come save your ass.
We're going. Now.
Господи, I was so scared that you would...
Me? You're the one tied up.
Yeah, exactly. Jackass.
Take care of the others.
Оля? Pop.
He's gone.
That's a touchy subject.
Misha.
No.
Misha.
No.
We don't have time for this. We have to get your recruits out of here. If we stay here much longer, we're trapped.
You're right.
Whew. I know I'm right, bitch. You're literally captured. About to get killed and shit.
Misha, we need to get to the Volga. How do we get out of this building? Misha, focus. How can we escape to the river?
There's an exit here. We could make a run for the sewers. But the Germans are blocking the courtyard.
It'll be tough. Do you have any extra supplies? Weapons, anything I can use?
Supposed to be in
I
front
know
of
there
them or
were
something?
soldiers defending on the roof. They had
Okay.
the radio.
Yo,
there
stop.
might be supplies.
Watch me. Look at me.
I'll lay down cover fire from there while you get our people to the sewers.
He's
If
like
you're sure, sister,
avoiding.
maybe you can reach the roof climbing
He's
up there.
definitely avoiding.
That should get you to the roof. I'll give you a boost.
I'll find a good place to cover you.
I know. You've always been a better shot than me.
The Pasha is with me now. And I know he wouldn't want us to die in this post office to a bunch of ubliotki.
He would be proud of you.
He would be proud of us. Get our people to the sewer. I'll lay down fire from the roof.
Yo, this is pretty cool
Good
because
news, okay?
in the other World War II themed Call of Duties, we never got to play in
Okay, ребята.
Stalingrad. I'm pretty sure we got to play in Petrograd, but not Stalingrad. Or maybe Vendetta was in Stalingrad. I'm not sure. Where am I supposed to be going? Okay, over here. Jump, 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 honey.
Marina, can you hear me? I'm on the radio. But
hear
I'm not
you.
receiving. Boy, Bosha, I hope you're listening to me for once. We are
I
pinned
am,
down
I
in the
am.
crater by the trolley. Marina, we'll start to the sewer on your signal.
You are surrounded, Ivan! Accept your defeat!
Waiting for your first shot before we start moving to the sewer.
Stalingrad belongs to the Reich! Surrender now or face death!
Ready to move to the sewer when you open fire.
Okay.
There is nothing left of the Regale!
Hey, I'm not done here. I'm not done here. You killed my dad. All of you are gonna die now. Give me more Molotov. Where are these fucking jokes at? Shit, where am I supposed to go now? Yo, dog, I'm trying. Trust me, right? From the right?
Relax. Where did all these Germans come from?
Dude, I can hardly fucking... Oh, yeah. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Come on. Why does everything gotta be holding, bro? I'm just gonna fucking Molotovs everywhere.
located.
Oh shit.
Okay, everyone, move to the sewer now. Polina, keep them covered.
Gotcha.
We need a minute to get the sewer open. Polina, the hotel.
Come on, we can't be disgracing
They have a spin
Papa
from
like
above the
that.
hotel lobby.
Where else? Is that it? Here. Come on. Anybody else?
I think they're trying to flank you on the rooftop.
Psych! Try again, bitches! Try again! Wow.
Okay, Polina, get down here and meet me at the sewer.
Alright, give me a sec.
I see some scaffolding on the side of the building you can use. Find the way down.
Okay. That took a while to kick in, but that's okay. Nah, man.
It's too many, Polina, just run!
I tried. Just in time.
Surviving Stalingrad was no small feat.
Fuck, dude. I'm pretty sure I have like fucking 2 hours of footage,
But
dog.
no one really escaped something like that.
Jesus Christ, it's 1 in the morning.
All our lives, burned away.
I did wait all fucking day to play this game, though, to be
That's
fair.
what made us attracted to the SOE in the first place. But for Polina,
We've seen this too, right? In the
was marrow
cutscene.
deep. She was destined to return the favor. And that had made her the deadliest member of my team.
She just fucking wants to fuck them up like how they fucked her up. I mean, it makes sense, really.
Such a touching story. You couldn't even save the life of your own father.
Dude, you look like a rat. Shut the fuck up. Jesus
So tell
Christ.
me, why isn't Ivan with an old rifle part of a top-secret Allied operation?
You do not scare me, little mouse.
I told you. I fucking told you. Oh, he tried to do that. What bitch? And she ain't even flinched. That's how you know you a real
You
rat.
misunderstand me, Fräulein. I do not need you to fear me. I need only your screams. That will convince your friends to talk.
Why? Because I am a woman. You're not very good at this, are you?
Yeah, you fucking. Oh shit. Alright.
Tell me, what other missions the Allies have in Germany?
Nothing worth talking about.
Come on, don't crack like that.
What is worth talking about?
Your mom and how she's a big fat fucking rat too. He got a little shook.
Go fetch him. We'll confirm my story together.
She's such a fucking badass, bro. I don't give a fuck who
Take
you
it back.
are. This woman is badass.